Yes. It's an advantage. Thank you.
What is being inculcated in that?
How much inculcated?
Inculcated means what is being
Absorbed.
absorbed? What you ask?
I just guessed because he said. No. I want English. I love English.
English 3.
Number 2, faculty training to equip teachers to use computers as a mode of teaching. Next. Providing.
Yak!
Sorry.
Nakalunok.
Providing access to the internet so that it's not limited resources. Just because internet has many information, that's the word.
So there are items and anything else that you would like to research on?
Ma'am?
Don't use the internet.
Yes, internet. If you want to do your homework, just type at the Google.
What is it? Class, we had quite a discussion on this. It is very productive, right? So it's very productive to what you call a high technology of learning,
Yes.
getting information. Now, is it possibly good?
Yes.
Right? To this particular way of learning, to the computer or to the library?
Ma'am, for me, it's better to go to the library so that you can learn more.
Why then?
Yes, because if you just type at the computer, just Control V, then Control C.
And then you?
You learn nothing. You just do the shortcut thing. Copy paste, then print.
You don't read.
Yes. But it's more easier for us.
For you.
Yes.
But the inner part of learning,
It's not there. Yes. It's
so
not there.
would you want to limit yourself?
No.
Wait, just to do research in the computer, or will still go to the library?
Ma'am, you go to the computer at the same time you go to the library so that you can gain more and more.
So you'll have a comparative study.
Yes.
You try to make comparisons in your way of studying. Okay, good. Next one.
Curriculum software provided for teachers yearly. You give me here. Matabilog. Ma'am, they don't know anything. That's why. You
Anything.
explain this thing. Okay, ma'am, I'll go back to my discussion tomorrow. Number 4. Curriculum software provided for teachers and students from arts sciences. Next. Curricula ensures efficient. You explain. Ma'am, sir.
Wait, the last one is
Curricula.
curricula program. Curriculum ensures efficient
operation of network by training.
Alright. What do you mean by that?
Ma'am, I need your help.
Alright. When you get into that particular part of the lesson, now this is a process by which a student, alright, engages himself to the procedure of learning through network. And network is always internet via computer.
Yes.
But you cannot just do that without training. You must have to undergo a training. You cannot just sit down in front of that computer without learning the basics. Okay, right? Yes. Alright.
Ma'am, my report is just simple because I don't want things to get complicated. Thank you.